Welcome, listeners. Welcome to another session of Introduction to Digital Marketing. In this module, we discuss about traditional versus digital marketing in detail. To differentiate the digital marketing from traditional marketing by understanding the significance of digital marketing. So, before getting into detail, we just want to know about what exactly digital marketing is. Digital marketing is the process of marketing itself, but we use some digital technology like internet, digital services like computers, tablets, mobile phone for marketing purpose. So, to begin with, let us first discuss the two concept or way by marketing, that is digital marketing and traditional marketing. So, traditional marketing is what exactly refers to the strategies where a business organization uses conventional tools of marketing such as promotion and advertisement in magazine, newspaper, billboards, and other traditional mediums like flyers, posters, radio, televisions, outdoors, etc., to achieve their desired objective. The traditional concept of marketing mainly comprises of four key elements like a four P's, or it is also called as a marketing mix: promotion, product, price, place. Or we can say it as price of the product, price of promotion. The product, which is a bundle of utilities, constitutes the most important elements of a marketing mix. Product mix is built up through integration of a few product groups. Price is the exchange value of goods and services in terms of money at any level of marketing is called price. It is uh, it is the amount a customer pays for the product. Promotion, in another hand, implies the type of activities on the part of producer or sales personnel that makes it possible to increase the sales volume. It has four distinct elements like advertising, public relation, personal selling, and sales promotion. Next is place. Place represents the location where a customer or where a product can be purchased. A customer can come and find the product in that place. It is also called as marketplace. It is often referred as the distribution channel. It includes any physical store as well as virtual store on the internet. It depends. There are other P's also, other three P's also: people, process, and physical evidence. So, all together, commonly we have four P's. So, all together makes it evident that the traditional concept of marketing mainly focus on needs of the seller. That is, it is seller oriented. But with the passage of time, the seller oriented approach had become redundant and gave way to development of a modern concept of marketing, which takes into account the needs of consumers and hence is a more consumer oriented approach towards marketing. So consumer is regarded as the king, as I said, a god in the modern concept of marketing. So you can see different traditional marketing things like a print media, broadcast media, direct telemarketing. In print media, we can see newspaper, magazine, brochures, newsletters, etc. In broadcast media, like a radio, television, on screen. Direct mail is like a fillers, postcards, brochures, letter, catalogs, etc. So telemarketing, calling, and call calling. So all have been changed. Nowadays there is no call calling in sales. So you know, in line with a more consumer-oriented approach, Robert F. Lawther proposed 4C model in 1990 as an alternative to 4P model. Just for the sake, I will explain what exactly the four C's: consumer, cost, communication, convenience. So consumer is what exactly is a integral part of the marketing. The product part of the 4P model is replaced by consumer, shifting focus to satisfying the consumer needs. Second is cost. Price is replaced by cost, reflecting the total cost of ownership. Many factors affect the cost. Next is communication. Promotion feature is replaced by communication, which represent a broader focus than simply promotion. So communication can include advertising, public relation, personal selling, viral advertising, emails, and any form of communication between the organization and the consumer. Convenience, the place or distribution replaced by convenience. So previously we discussed about a 4 P's. Now all the 4 P's has been replaced. So convenience takes into account the easy of buying of product, finding the product, gathering information about the product, and several other factors. With the world now shifting to the digital side of things, business around the world have recognized the need and importance of changing the way they market their products, etc. So, marketing now has transformed into digital marketing, which has enhanced its scope. In simple words, a digital marketing can be defined as the marketing or promotion of a product or brand using various forms of a digital media. So you can see the definition here. So same as like digital marketing can be again explained that a marketing or promotion of products or brand using various forms of a digital media, or in other words through electronic channels. The development in digital marketing have totally transformed the marketing landscape. So nowadays everyone is investing in SEO, influencer marketing, email, social media marketing, campaign marketing, data driven marketing, e-commerce marketing, etc. So there is a common notion that digital marketing is all about marketing using the internet, but the fact is not true, because uh, through internet is one of the most important medium of internet marketing. uh, it's not only one. Digital marketing now extend to non-internet channels that provide digital media such as mobiles, callback, on-hold mobile ringtones, etc. So the battle of digital marketing versus traditional marketing is a tough and interesting one. No, through both have their own advantage and disadvantage. See, it is fair to say that in the technological oriented world, digital marketing has an edge over traditional marketing strategies. So, following is an in depth comparison between the two: wide reach, niche marketing, cost effective, measurement and tracking, generate potential leads, performance oriented, real time result, audience control, interactivity, fair play, or equity. We'll discuss one by one in the next video. Thank you.